So guys, ito-try lang natin itong bagong NLEX C3 Caloocan, no? Itong connector road. So, check lang natin kung gaano kabilis ang traveling dito, no? So, all the way to hanggang sa dagat-dagatan. So, let's see. So, currently it's 10:19 sa aking clock. So this is bagong bukas lang to na road, no, connecting dito sa Espana all the way hanggang sa dagat-dagatan. So soon I heard itong road na to diretso all the way hanggang Pedro Hill. So can't wait for that to happen. So maximum speed na pwede mo achieve dito is around 80 kph. So okay, so right now we're running at around 80, which is the maximum na pwede. So it's pretty clear pa yung road. Wala pa taong masyado gumagamit, no? Kasi hindi pa lang nakakalam, and as of now it's still free to use this road until further notice. So yeah, approaching na tayo sa dagat-dagatan. It's a quick breeze lang, no? So 10:19 a while ago, right now it's 10:21. It's just around mga 2 to 3 minutes na breeze through lang, no? So using 80 kilometers per hour. So right now, reduce speed na tayo. We're going down. So, ganun kabilis lang pala, no? Traveling using itong connector ng NLEX from C3 all the way from Espana all the way to C3. So yeah, true enough, it's 2022. Yung pababa na tayo right now ng toll. Okay, so guys, yan, nakita na ang the all new connector from Espana all the way to C3. So it's 10:22 right now, my clock, and nakapagbaba na tayo here sa C3. So that's it, guys, and stay safe, and that's it. Goodbye.